Welcome back. I'm Wicked Skill, and this is Wicked's Tech Lab. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use a QR code to share your socials out with your friends and other people. Today's video idea and many others have been brought to us by Red X Zero TV. He's a good buddy of mine. I've known for about a year and a half, almost 2 years now. He's got a really great stream going on. He does a lot of IRL stuff, plays video games, so just a huge variety of things to watch. I'll go ahead and link his beacon down in the description. Go check him out, give him a follow in the different platforms that you watch. He does stream to a lot of different platforms and does content across the different platforms. So I'm sure there's going to be something you'll find that you like. So before we dive into the QR code, I'm going to talk to you about Linktree. There's also Beacon, like I said, and a few other ones. You can just Google them. But with Linktree, all you'll do is you create an account. It's completely free. They do have paid for versions that allow other things like analytics tracking and stuff like that, but it's not necessary. Just get the free one. You're going to go ahead and link all of your different socials inside of here. You can put thumbnails on them. You can put schedules if you have schedules for the times you stream or the times you do things. And then once all this is done, you're just going to take your link from Linktree and we're going to make the QR code for that if you have more than one social. If you only have one social you're trying to get the QR code to link to, or if you're like mine, I want to make stickers of my YouTube one, so I'm going to put the QR code directly to my YouTube on the stickers. That way people can scan them and go straight to the YouTube. But if you want them to go to all of your socials, or if I have access to all of your socials, you can use the Linktree one or the Beacon, so on and so forth. When they scan it, it's going to bring them to a page like this. If you put your profile picture, or if you have pictures on any of your socials, those will all go here for the thumbnails. That way they know what they're clicking on. All right, onto the QR code generator. You can just Google QR code generator and find 100 different websites to use. The one I'm using is qrplanet.com. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. All you got to do is go right here under link and drop your link right here. This can be your Linktree, your Beacon, it can be your YouTube, your Twitch, your Twitter, whatever you want the QR code to take them to. And then under design templates, I just used the YouTube template because mine is strictly for my YouTube. But they have all the different ones here: Snapchat, TikTok, they have Google, they have all the different pre-designed ones that you could think of here to use, or you can add your own logo right here. And then from there, you can change the colors if you'd like the colors to be different. And then under custom frames, you can actually change the words that are at the bottom of the pre-designed ones. So instead of play video, I put Wicked's Tech Lab. And then that way people know where this QR code is going to. Then from there, you're just going to create the static QR code. If you want to do the dynamic where you can get analytics tracking and be able to change the link later and still have the same QR code, you do have to pay for that. This is just a free option that I'm showing you here. Once again, thank you for coming to another Wicked's Tech Lab video. If any of my videos helped you out, please make sure you share them out to your friends. Like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. We are going for that big 1,000 for the YouTube partner. So please help me push for that by sharing it out to your friends. Also, if there's anything you'd like me to make a video on, please drop it in the comments so I can read it. And I also like to respond to everybody in the comments, and I'll try and get those videos made out, like I did this one here for Red Zero, along with some of the other video ideas that he's given me and I've been able to put up on the channel.